Howdy, Jeff Johnson, creator of WeatherMaker. I've added something to the clouds that is going to increase the randomness and variety in the sky. Right now the clouds pretty much cover the whole sky. You can lower the cloud cover, but the whole sky is evenly distributed with clouds, and that doesn't really match the look that you may want depending on your scene. So I have added something called cloud noise masking. Now this is going to mask out parts of the sky so that there's no clouds there regardless of the cloud cover. So in the newest, latest, greatest WeatherMaker, I have demo scene cloud mask, and I'm going to run that for you right now. When you start this scene, it immediately creates heavy clouds. Now you'll notice in my sky that even though the clouds are heavy, the whole sky is not filled with clouds. And that is because I am masking the clouds. Let me show you what the mask texture does. On the WeatherMaker prefab in your scene, go to the sky sphere, scroll all the way down to clouds. I've separated cloud noise and cloud appearance because clouds are starting to get a lot of properties. All of these cloud mask properties control how the mask works. The mask has a scaling parameter similar to how noise works. You can make that really tiny if you want to see lots of patches. I mean, here you can see exactly what my noise texture looks like. As you scale that larger though, it looks a little bit better. So depending on your noise texture, you can play with that setting. The rotation parameter is also nice because it lets you change the mask in the sky. So depending on your scene, you can orient your mask in a specific direction. This rotates about the y-axis, so basically that's how that works. So if you have a horizon specific to your scene that you want to point your mask at, you can simply rotate it. The mask offset moves the mask through your scene, so as you do that it kind of slides it, so that's a way to just move your mask through your scene and adjust it. Masks even support velocity, just like the clouds do. This can allow for some interesting effects, so let's ratchet that up. And you can see the mask is kind of moving through the clouds. You probably want to keep that to be fairly slow, like I would keep it pretty tiny so that it moves very slowly through your scene, like 0.01, maybe that. That might even be too fast, but that way your sky will kind of be constantly evolving as your mask slides through the scene. You could even make part of your script to rotate the mask really slowly along with that, and that way your clouds kind of always look really super random. Anyway, that is it for cloud masking. I hope you enjoy this new feature, and please let me know any feedback. Support@digitalruby.com. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.